Welcome to Buy, Hold, Sell. I'm Ben Clark, and today we're looking at small caps, but we're going to be looking under some rocks. We're trying to find some businesses flying under the radar, the market's missed and are worth buying. We've got Martin Hickson from WAM, David Keelan from Ellerston. David, I'll start with you. Lovisa, downgrade at the AGM, strong result in February. Buy, hold or sell?
Lovisa is a sell for us. Retailers really hold such high multiples. We do appreciate it's got one of the strongest store rollouts in the market, but having a few problems offshore, we're happy to wait and see.
Okay, Martin, and also a great management team behind this one. Have you got a different view?
No, we agree. We think it's a hold. They had a strong result where they spoke about the offshore opportunities in the US and store rollout programs. However, domestically, they're struggling. Comp sales were negative 1.8% for the half. So we're waiting for a pickup there or a turnaround in the Australian business before buying. So for us, it's a hold.
Okay. A company that's really struggled to sell jewellery in America is Michael Hill. This is starting to push back up. A buy, hold or sell? Yeah,
it's been a tough journey for shareholders in Michael Hill. We think that it's a turnaround now, though. There is a turnaround in place. They've already guided to reducing costs by 5 mil, as well as taking an additional 5 mil of costs on top of that. New management team's in place, so we think it's a buy.
Okay. Is it shiny enough for you?
Yeah, it's a buy for us, but given our view on the consumer being extremely patchy, we feel the 10 million cost out is identifiable and real, and we are being paid to wait until we can see some top line growth when the consumer returns.
Okay, and moving on to Superloop, which has got good pedigree and was a small cap fundy favourite for a while, but it's really fallen out of favour recently. Buy, hold or sell? We
think now is the time that you buy Superloop. It's coming through the end of its capex. You have had an earnings reset, a bit more weight in the balance sheet. They've got great strategic assets. The consumption of data is strong for the medium long term. It's got a management board that have executed it multiple times. We think it's a matter of when, not if.
Okay. Martin, you often get interested in businesses when they do that balance sheet repair capital raising. Are you interested in Superloop at the moment?
For us, it's a hold. We did participate in the recent capital raising. As Dave mentioned, over the next few years, we should start to see the returns from that capital investment program, which they've been through. Strong management team, like Dave points out, we think it's a hold.
Okay. Now, have you brought one along with you that you think, the market's not paying enough attention to? You've started buying it. What have you got?
Yeah, one for us is Myer. We think it's off the radar. It's been a very tough journey for shareholders in Myer over the last 5 years since it IPO'd. But the new CEO, John King, who's been there for 9 months, he's doing a great job turning it around. Large amount of costs coming out of that business. If we can stabilise the top line, we think Myer should re-rate significantly, so it's a buy for us.
Okay. And David, what can you add? What are you guys buying at the moment that the market's not paying enough attention to?
One which IPO'd in December 18, called Atomos. We were pre-IPO investors. Atomos is a hardware device that sits on top of cameras, and it helps the problem for creators regarding video and photographs, how they upload it, how they edit it. It's trading on just under 3 times revenue, just profitable, growing strong double digit. We think it's a winner.
Okay, it's always good looking at some businesses that have fallen out of favour, and there's a couple of ideas for you.